Kum shibenta ban ai Jinghikai na kabenta ban nangkintiu ya karep karyang hagathan East and West Khasi Hills District Kanongstein Social Service Society NSSS kawai ni giseng trimons ngobha lani NGOs mentagas ngi kala yo ban pelong ya ga jingalang ai Jinghikai ye ki Nongrep halor ka biodiversity fair plan genetic resource. Yakini ka jingalang la yo ban pelong mentagas ngi Hanongstein ha kabau Dr. SK Malik Nodal Officer NEH Scheme ICR NBPGR New Delhi ulalong kumukong san Harangkat Kajingadon Lang, Dr. PK Singh, Head Division of Germplasm Exploration ICAR, NBPGR New Delhi, Dr. Harish GD, Scientist and OIC ICAR NBPGR Regional Station Shillong, Upadar James Anderson Imle, President ke NSSS Batkiwe. Ka North East Hills NEH Scheme kadai ka bala baiting ka da ka ICAR NBPGR Regional Station Shillong bada ka tega jingalang ke ladon kumba ars pa san phongot AA ki Nongrep ki banakathan East and West Khasi Hills District ki balawan bani shimenta bada hadien ka jingalang ka ICAR NBPGR kala yoru bansa mi ki tiar shi ki Nongrep ki bakan thup ka tarpar ka pam ban siat dawai upai bajrong ka plaban kit jingkin ka tupya dasngi bat kiwe.
Different people. So one disease cannot kill all people because we are different. If we are same, if we belong to only one tribe, then we would have been died at the one stroke. So it means what? The diversity, difference is required. So same way we in the plants also. In crop field variety, field crops also there are diversities. So we need diversities like this. So if these are lost, then one disease will kill us in one stroke. So can you translate? So these are the varieties which we require for breeding new varieties like Ranjit. These varieties we need for creating a new varieties. So that's why our station, our institute, what we do is we collect all this germplasm and keep it safe for 100 years in a scientific way. So there are so many stories in the past, like Irish famine, where potato was grown in Ireland. So one disease came, like of potato. It killed all the people. Even people migrated from Ireland to USA and other parts. Same way, coffee rust in Sri Lanka. So there was a coffee growing. They were growing coffee for a wide stretch of land. So the coffee rust came and whole Sri Lanka is shifted to tea. So that way there are so many Bengal famine. It came and whole Bengal was starving during 1944. So such way there are so many things which we need to take care. So for who will take care? This diversity will take care of us.
Of the nearby areas. So it is our pleasure to organize this program here. And as Harish has already told that this is the third time we are organizing this program in the collaboration of this society. There might be something we again and again coming to the society to organize such a program. As he told, they are very good in organizations and good number of farmers, and really the selection of beneficiary is also very good. So as already informed, this particular program or plant genetic resources awareness programs are being organized throughout the northeast India by our institute under the NEH scheme, which is Northeastern Hill Scheme, which has been launched by the Government of India to benefit the small and medium farmers. ministries of the government of India are having a special funds for this, and being NBPGR, being the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, our major emphasis is to benefit the farmers, direct benefit to the farmers somehow, and also listen to their problems, reach to them, to show them that we are with them, and whatever help is required from the scientists, from the ICR, from the government of India, we are always with them. So this is the actually background of this program which we are organizing here. Now coming to the plant genetic resources, its need and conservation, already my colleagues have already said something about it, that why this plant genetic resources or biodiversity is important. This is the backbone of our society. Plants. Biodiversity covers everything in the environment, either plants, fishes, animals, microbes, everything is the biodiversity. And you people are working in the ground, in the farms, and you very well know the importance of biodiversity. Our emphasis here is only to agriculture, agri-biodiversity. Biodiversity which is related to the agriculture. And we are actually doing all these programs, all these awareness programs to protect the whatever biodiversity has been left for our future generations and sustainable utilization. When we say the sustainable utilization, we very well know that without the use of this biodiversity which has been given by nature to us, we cannot survive. But we should use the biodiversity not for the greed, but only for the need. Whatever we need, we should utilize it, but we should not harm it. Over exploitation should not be done, which is nowadays happening. And there are several other reasons also why the biodiversity degeneration is taking place. When we were coming from the Umyan to here, lot of degeneration of natural biodiversity is taking place. I think we don't have much control in that. There are few reasons for that. You know very well the increasing population, urbanization is taking place. And for that we are removing jungles, we need a more space for settling down, for agriculture also, more space is required. So these are some of the reasons.